today we are going to see what is variables. So a variable is the name of the memory location as well as it is used to store your data, and this value can be changed as well as you can reuse the value at any time anywhere in your program. And this variable is the best way to represent the memory location through the symbol, okay, so that we can easily identify where the value or where the variable is stored. Syntax of this variable declaration is data type space variable name semicolon. So here we have given some examples: int a, float b, char c. So this int, float, char, all these three data types are basic data types. And next we can see what is variable initialization. Variable initialization in the sense we are going to give the value of the variable in the statement itself. Okay, I think here you can easily identify the difference between what is variable declaration as well as what is variable initialization, because in the previous example they have given only the data type with the variable name alone, but in the second part they have given the value of that particular variable. So this is called variable initialization. And there are some rules to define the variable in our program. So first rule is a variable should have only the alphabets, digits and underscore. Alphabet in the sense you can use both cases, that is uppercase and lowercase. Digits in the sense that is numbers, that is 0 to 9. And underscore is the symbol to separate the variable name, because here we should not use the white space, that's why we are replacing that white space with the underscore. And second rule is a variable name should start with only the alphabet and underscore, but it should not start with numbers. And third rule is there is no white space is allowed in between your variable name, that's why we are using the underscore symbol. And fourth one is the variable should not have any keywords, okay, like int, char, float. There are 32 keywords in the C programming languages, so those reserved keywords should not be declared as a variable name. So here they have given some examples for a valid variable as well as invalid variables. So int a is valid and int 2 is not valid, because they have told clearly already, that is you can use alphabets but you should not have digits. And the second one is int underscore ab is allowed, but int a space b is not allowed. And third one, int a30 is allowed, alphabet with number is allowed, and int long is not allowed, because this long is a data type, so it is a reserved keyword, so we should not use as the keyword as variable names. And next one is types of variables in the C programming language. So there are 5 types of variables in the C programming language, that is local variable, global variable, static variable, automatic variable, external variable. So we can see what is local variable. Local variable in the sense, in case if you are going to declare some variable inside the function or inside the block, it can be called as the local variable. Okay, so here they have given some example like a void function 1. Okay, so this is a function, and within the curly brace if you are going to declare some variable, in the sense it can be called or it can be considered as the local variable. So local variable should come only under the curly braces. So next one is global variable. Global variable in the sense you can use or you can declare outside of the function, but there is a great advantage of having the global variable in your program. That is, once if you declare some variable as a global, in the sense you can use that variable value anywhere in your program. But in case if it is a local variable, in the sense you can use that variable only within that particular block or particular function, but this global variable can be used anywhere in your program. So this here just look at the example. Int value equal to 20. Okay, but this variable declaration has been declared before the function. So in the sense it can be considered as the global variable, as well as you can use this value anywhere in the program if it is needed. Okay, next third one is static variable. Static variable in the sense you are just going to have the static keyword. Okay, it will be also considered as the local variable. Okay, because we are going to declare, or we are going to define this variable in the function calls only. Okay, so it also comes under only the function. So void function 1, within the curly brace only they have declared here int x equal to 20, it will be considered as a local variable. Static int y equal to 10. Okay, so to differentiate the local variable as well as to static variable, we are going to have the keyword called static. And the fourth one is automatic variable. So automatic variable and the local variable is almost same, because all the variables will be considered. That is, once if you are defining a variable inside the function or inside the block, it can be considered as a local variable. Okay, so all those local variable will be considered as the automatic variable by default. But there is a only difference, or only differentiating method is to declare the keyword called auto. So just look at here, void main, that is the function. So within the function only we are going to define this two variables. Once if you are going to define some variable inside the function, it can be called as a local variable. Okay, so this variable also will be considered as a automatic variable, as well as here in the next part they have mentioned clearly the keyword called auto int y equal to 20. So this will be also considered as a automatic variable. And next one is external variable. External variable in the sense you are going to use the keyword called extern before your variable declaration. Okay, so extern keyword or external variable also used to share your variable, or used to share your resource with multiple C source files. So here just look at the example, extern int x equal to 20. Okay, so this variable as well as the value is declared as the global variable. So global variable in the sense, once if you declare in the program, you can use it anywhere. So just they have given before the main function, and they are going to get the value inside the function. Okay, I hope this is very clear. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share, like and comment. Thanks for watching.